as you know, Master was there and for a long time in US, and his heart was longing to go back to India. And then they decided that in 1935 they will be coming with Mr. Wright, Dayamata's brother. They will be coming back to India for a year or so, or less than 2 years. I think they were here in India. And in 1935, the house hosted Master many times. Whenever Master was in Calcutta and or in Srirampur, and when in 1935, when Master came to this house, they used to sleep in the same bed, which is upstairs, and they used to sit. They used to sit there. They used to meditate, and they used to sleep in their night. Then they felt that bed was not enough for Master, because they are all heavy now. So after hearing that fact, Sri Yukteswar Giri sent one single bed for Master, which is also in the upstairs. You can see, and that bed is still there with us, and Master used to sleep there whenever he used to come to this room, the house and all. So in 1935, when Master was in this place, on this area, that time Tulsi was all married. He has his elder daughter. Hasi, my mother, was in womb. My grandmother, Pankajini Bose, whom Master used to call Mathanma. Mathan means mother, and he was supposed to call him like a Bautan. Instead of Bautan, he called her as a Mathanma. And Mathanma was actually carrying my mother that time, in 1936 time. So that time, the whole area around the Garpar and the Raja Dinanda street, Master used to go for Prabhat Ferry. It is like he will go out in the street and he will sing song, and there will be a lot of devotees along with him. They will be traveling and going around the area, covering most of the areas here. And then with 40-50 devotees, they will be standing outside of the door, and Master will bang the door and say, Mathanma, we are here. Give us the food. So Mathanma will cook for all the 40-50 devotees that Master used to bring here. The house will be filled with devotees, and the devotee will have the khichdi, the mixed rice, with dal, pulses and all these things, with mixed vegetables, everything together. They will have their food here after the Prabhat Ferry. Once the Prabhat Ferry is done, they will have the food here. Once the food is done, then Master, Kevaranand ji, they will all sit together in the same very room, and they will discuss, they will practice, they will meditate, they will sing. And by that time, Prakash Das was already there in the group. Prakash Das was later known as Atmananda ji. He was picked up by Master at very early age, and then Master gave instructions to Tulsi that Tulsida, I want you to host this guy forever. He will be part of this house. He will be part of your family. And later point of that, Prakash Das became a house surgeon, a medical doctor, and he was a saint and the first YSS president in India. You can see his photo here. He is sitting there with Tulsi and other saint there, and Prakash Das is here. Prakash Das left his body in this very room. in front of the Krishna. He used to stay here in the same room, and he was given instructed like not to move out from this room till he passes away, till he has his Mahasamadhi.